A middle school teacher watched administrators ignore brutal bullying because the bully's parents wrote big checks to the school. She had a choice: stay quiet and keep her job, or fight back and risk everything. She chose to fight. $8,000 of her own money went to lawyers. The school board tried to fire her. Her career hung by a thread, but parents rallied behind her. The investigation exposed years of systematic discrimination against special needs students. The principal resigned. Policies changed overnight. Then something unexpected happened. She won Teacher of the Year. Speaking engagements paid back every dollar she'd spent on legal fees. A publisher offered her a book deal. But the real victory came at graduation. The bullied student walked across that stage with honors. He told her she saved his life. People asked if she regretted the risk. She said, "I could have stayed silent and kept my job. Instead, I spoke up and found my calling." One moment of courage changed everything, not just for her, but for every vulnerable student who came after.